Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through a step by step on how to use GoHighLevel as a complete beginner. So, once you have signed up and entered your details, you will land on your agency dashboard. So, the first important step here is to connect your Stripe account. This is how you will get paid. And without this, you would not be able to accept payments from clients. So, make sure to set it up right away. Now, at the way top on the left side, you will see the switch option, and this allows you to toggle between your agency account and any sub accounts that you have created. It is useful when managing multiple businesses or clients from one dashboard. From here, you can quickly jump into each workplace without logging in and out. Now, after this, we have this option of prospecting. And this is where you can search for leads and potential clients directly inside Go High Level. It helps you organize, track, and engage with businesses who might need your services. Here you can view lead details, contact info, and even send them emails from this section. It is a powerful tool for agencies to generate and convert leads more efficiently. Now, after this, we have the other option of sub accounts. Now, sub accounts are like separate workspaces for each of your clients. Each one has its own funnels, automations, CRM, and settings, so nothing gets mixed up. You can manage everything individually and assign access to your clients or team members. It's perfect for keeping all your client work organized under one roof. In order to create more sub accounts, here you can click on plus icon, and with that, you can create here multiple sub accounts. And then we have this next option of account snapshots. Now, snapshots lets you copy your entire setup, like funnels, automations, and settings from one account to another. This is a massive time saver when onboarding with clients with the same structure. You can build one perfect setup and reuse it over and over again. It is great for agencies offering package services or templates. Then we have the next option of reselling. Now, the reselling section is for those running their businesses in software as a service mode. Here you can create and manage your pricing plans, packages, and client permissions. Here you can decide what features client tier will have access to. It is where you build your own branded software product using Go High Level. And after that, we have add ons. Now, the add ons give you access to extra tools and features that are not included by default. Here you can activate these based on your needs, like advanced analytics, AI tools, or integrations. Some may be free while others are paid depending on what they offer. Now, it is a great way to customize your platform and enhance client value. Now, let's move to the next option, which is affiliate portal. Now, this is where you can join the Go High Level affiliate program and start earning commission. You will find your referral link here and see how many signups you have gotten and track your payouts. If someone sign up using your link, you can earn a percentage monthly. It is an easy way to earn extra income by sharing the platform. And then we have is a template library. This section gives you access to a collection of ready-made templates for funnels, emails, websites, and more. So you can use these templates as is or customize them to match your client's branding. It saves time and give you solid starting point for new projects. It is perfect if you want to deliver quick results without building from scratch. Now let's move to the next option, which is partner. The partner section is for those who are the part of official GHL partner program. It offers exclusive tools, marketing assets, and support to help grow your agency. Now the next we have is this option of university. This is your main training and education hub inside Go High Level. You will find tutorials, step-by-step guides, and videos for every feature. And then we have is this SaaS education. This is more advanced and focused specifically on SaaS mode business. It walks you through creating subscription plans, onboarding flows, and scaling your software. You will learn how to turn Go High Level into your software company, great for agency owners who want to offer software as a service to clients. And then we also have this option of ideas. If you have a suggestion or you want to vote on new features, this section let you submit ideas directly to the Go High Level team. You can also view what other users are requesting and vote on them. It helps shape the future of the platform based on community feedback. And after that, we also have this option of mobile app. This is where you will find tools and settings related to Go High Level mobile app. If you're planning to offer a white labeled version of the mobile app to your client, this is the place. You can customize the app name, icon, and even publish it under your own brand. It gives your clients mobile access to their dashboard anytime, anywhere. And then last but not the least, we have is App Marketplace. Now, the app marketplace contains third party apps and integrations that connect with GoHighLevel. Here you can browse, install, and configure tools that enhances your workflows. From payment tools to marketing plugins, this section help you level up your features. And then in the bottom left corner, you will find this option of settings. Click on it. Here you can manage your agency details, team members, custom domains, integrations, and email settings, and more. This is where most of your backend configurations live. So make sure to set this up properly so your system runs smoothly. Click the link in the description for a free trial.